Namaste. Myself, Dr. Sahana Bhatt. I'm a Bharatnatyam exponent, blessed daughter of Lakshmi Prabha and Narayan Bhatt Putige, running a Bharatnatyam institution named Natyanjali Nritya Kala Kendra with the support of my husband Pradeep Bhatt from last 25 years. I am thankful to Government First Grade College and PG Center Dharwad for this wonderful opportunity to share with you all about my topic on the national level online short-term course of life. Skills for Women in COVID 19, an IQAC and Women's Cell initiative.
आङ्गिकं भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम् आहार्यं चन्द्रतारादि त्वं वन्दे सात्विकम् शिवं शिवं शिवम् आङ्गिकं भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम् आहार्यम्
Tarikitatum, 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 tarikita, 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 tarikitatum, tarikita, tarikitatum, tarikita, tarikita.
आहार्यं चन्द्रतारादितं नमः सात्विकं शिवं 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 शिवं
Dance. What the most people categorize either as a career or a hobby is actually a way of life. There is dance in the emergence of nature, in swaying, in blooming, in falling, and in rising. There is a dancer. People have perceived dance as a form of entertainment, but the ones who truly have danced know that is a meditation. It is a way of connecting to your inner self. What I have personally noticed as a dance trainer, as a choreographer, in which or in when children get admitted to the dance school, they significantly improve their performances even in academics and other aspects of life. The reasons scientific and evident. Dancing releases endorphins in the brain which gives a sense of well being and happiness. Disciples understand disciplines and dedication in the dance schools. Dancing boosts physical strength as well as mental confidence. So, list go on like this. Now, I would like to reflect dance as different concepts effects on body, effects on mind, effects on spiritual, effects on emotion, and life of a dancer. Let's start with dance as a mathematics. Classical dance and the most other all dance are all about symmetry, counter, timing, and calculations. The body and the mind coordination needed to solve a mathematical problems is the same coordination needed to the choreography and understand and remember and perform a piece of dance called jati. For example, ತಳ್ಳಂಕು ದಿಗುತಕ ತಕತ ದಿಗಿಣ ತುಂ ತಾಕು ಜೇ ಕುತಕ ಜೇ ಕು ಜಣಕು ತಕ ತಕಿಟ ಜಂ ಜಂ ತಾ ತಾಕು ಜೇ ಕುತಕ ಜೇ ಕು ಜಣಕು ತಕ ತಕಿಟ ಜಂ ತಾ ತಾಕು ಜೇ ಕುತಕ ಜೇ ಕು ಜಣಕು ತಕ ತ ಜಂ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕೆಡದಗ ದರಗಿಡದಂ ತ ಜಂ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕೆಡದಗ ದರಗಿಡದಂ ತ ಜಂ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕೆಡದಗ ದರಗಿಡದಂ These are made up of calculations and the total countings. All this basis, this jati is choreographed. If we look at dance as a science, it is form of therapy and rejuvenation. The hormones, the pressure points, the muscles and the nerves are all improved by dance. For example, if we do one small piece of expression piece like this. Jagado ದಾರನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಶೋಧ ಜಗತೋತಾರನ. While doing these things, nerves will get pressurized. From this also, body parts, all pressure points will improve by dance. The benefits of dancing on the brain includes memory improvement and strengthened nerve connections too. Now I'll be explaining you about Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam, arguably the oldest and the most traditional classical dance styles, appear as subtle synthesis of philosophy, sculpture, music and literature. It gathers all these strands and sets them in motion before the eye. To speak about Bharatnatyam is to enter into a psychological, philosophical discourse on ethics, aesthetics and social reality all at once. The illusion of art is reinforced by the religious themes of dance and dramas, stories which are often extracts from mythologies, legends and Vedic sculptures. Now we'll talk about the performance. The part of performance method. The basic position, Swasthanam, then from there to Aramandala position, that is half sitting position, from where begins the language. Adavu is the nominal formation from this root and means the act of dance. Movement of arms, legs, nrittahastas or fixed positions of the fingers or hand gestures that move from one position to the another, movement of the head and the toes. Here you can see some Adavu pattern or Adavu practicing sessions also in between. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, explain you about the Abhinaya. Here, I would like to just share the benefits of expressive portion of dance called the act of communication. We communicate through Angika, that is from the body parts, Vachika from the dialogue delivery, Aharya, which we shows from our costume and makeup, and Satvika, the involuntary reaction. The mudras that had no meaning while performing Nritya. I already told that while doing the adavus and all, we use mudras, but there is no meaning for that mudra. The same mudras now will having the meaning, will assume the meaning also in that by using the different aspects. For example, this Tripataka Hasta I use for some adavus like Tayyum, Tatta, Tayyum, Taha. The same Tripataka Mudra I used to show in Abhinaya section also. For example, Mukute Vrikshaba Vecha Vajre Tadharavasave Ketaki Kusume Deepe Vahnijwala Vijrambane Kapole Patrale Kayam Banarte Parivartane Stripumsayo Samayoge Yujjate Tripatakaha. These are the meaning of Tripataka Hastas which we use in the Abhinaya portion. And now by using the different aspects of rasa also created or the relish enjoyment. There is nothing more fulfilling for a young dancer to feel the appreciation in the audience of a piece well present.
कैलास पर्वतदि शिवन संसारदिरि उल्लास वेगांत दाक्षायणीयतेरि कैलास पर्वतदि शिवन संसारदिरि उल्लास वेगांत दाक्षायणीयतेरि कैलास पर्वतदि शिवन संसारदिरि उल्लास वेगांत दाक्षायणीयतेरि
Classical dance requires extreme concentration and focus for many reasons. In this art forms, the artist performs sequentially a variety of movement, set a particular tala cycle in 3 speeds and 5 different jatis or in other time intervals. Tattam, tattam, tarikita, taka, tattim, tim, tim, tattim, tattim, tarikita, taka, tattum, tum, tum, tattum, tattum, tarikita, taka, tattam, nam, nam, tatnam, tatnam, tarikita, taka, tattam, tam, tattam, tarikita, taka, tattim, tim, tattim, tarikita, taka, tattum, tum, tattum, tarikita, taka, tatnam, nam, tatnam, tarikita, taka, tam, tarikita, chanu, taka, timmi, taka, chanu, taka, timmi, taka, tam, tarikita, chanu, taka, timmi, taka, chanu, taka, timmi, taka, chanu, taka, timmi, taka, chanu, There are total 175 talas. When this type circuit training is done, it has been proved that the oxygen transport capacity to the brain is improved. IQ improves, and not only that, it makes up the dormant cells of the brain to get improved. Now I'll talk about artist. How artist will be, how the artist life becomes change after learning dance. In all my ages of being an artist, it has taught me some important and mesmerizing lessons in life. It has pushed me to become a better person, better wife, better mother, better teacher. There is a shlokam that describes the 10 qualities of a dancer. Javaha Sthiratvam Rekacha Brahmari Drishti Shramaha Medaha Shraddha Vacho Geetam Pranaha Dasham Smritam. Swiftness, steadiness, symmetry, willing, appropriate glances, hard work, and easy of movement. Intelligence, dedication, ability to speak and sing are the 10 qualities of a dancer. These qualities are desired to be in a dancer and in reverse a practice. In this dance forms builds these qualities in a person.
समपाध स्थितावर्त शकटास्य आध्यर्थिक चाशकति विचव एडका क्रीडिता भक्त उरोधृत वित्त आविद्ध आविद्ध उद्भत 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 विद्युक्रान्त 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 अलात 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 भुजङ्गत्रासित 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 हरिण प्लुता हरिण प्लुता हरिण प्लुता हरिण प्लुता दण्डपाठ 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 भ्रमरी चैव भ्रमरी चैव भ्रमरी चैव कळ्ळल् कुटिगु तक तक तदिकिन्तु.
Now I conclude the topic with few points of dance and about the society and all. The way society looks at dance throws light not only on the dance but also on society itself. The conflict of dance and society is eternal. In this sense, dance is permanent revolution, a concept that invites vigorous investigations. All artist creation is born of a question, a conflict, and a discord with oneself and mankind. Every art is a challenge and a social commitment. It need not to be conscious of any message. It is its own message. So is Bharatnatyam. Dancers try to portray high profile structures of human life, love, friendship, anger, and destructions too. Of course, the human mind constantly aspire for newer thinking, and just as society is continuously changing, so is act. Bharatnatyam is a living dynamic tradition and is continuously adopting, imbibing, expanding each time a creative artist works with its tools intelligently. The emphasis here is to know the tools well enough to be able to rearrange or extend its reach responsibly, not it merely because there is a cry for a change. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Namaste.